Did GoPro just set up one of the biggest action camera launches in years? Because here's what people are missing. They completely skipped 2025. No Hero 14, no refresh, nothing. And for a brand that drops a new camera almost every year, that silence was loud. So what were they doing? Building something bigger. GoPro has now confirmed a new generation powered by the GP3 processor, set to be revealed at NAB 2026. In this video, we're breaking down everything. Confirmed details, major leaks, and the one sensor rumor that could make this GoPro a game changer. Stick around because this one might be huge. Let's start with what's locked in, no speculation needed. GoPro has officially announced they're revealing a new camera generation at the NAB show, running April 19th through April 22nd, 2026. And powering that new generation is the GP3 processor, the first major chip upgrade since the Hero 10 introduced GP2 back in 2021. That's nearly 5 years on the same processor architecture. So when GoPro says GP3 is bringing larger sensors, better low-light performance, higher resolutions, higher frame rates, AI-enhanced imaging, improved thermals, and better battery efficiency, they're not throwing out buzzwords. They're describing a platform that's been years in the making. GoPro hasn't officially confirmed the name Hero 14 Black yet, but virtually every industry insider believes this GP3 debut and the Hero 14 are the same announcement. The pieces fit too well to ignore. Here's where the debate gets really juicy. Multiple leaks are pointing toward a larger sensor in the Hero 14, and some speculation is going as far as a 1-inch type sensor. Now, nothing is confirmed yet, but think about what that would actually mean. Action cameras have always struggled with dynamic range and low light because of their small sensor size. A 1-inch sensor would dramatically close that gap. We're talking footage that actually holds up when you're riding into shadows, shooting at golden hour, or capturing fast-moving subjects in mixed lighting. Even if it stops short of a full 1-inch design, leaks strongly suggest it will be physically larger than anything we've seen since the Hero 11's 1 by 1.9-inch sensor. And with GP3 doing the heavy lifting behind it, the image quality jump could be significant. For creators who've been frustrated by GoPro's low light limitations, this one upgrade alone might be the reason to upgrade. So let's talk performance, because this is where GP3 starts to really flex. The Hero 13 Black already pushed high-resolution video modes hard, and with GP3 on board, the Hero 14 is expected to push further. Higher bitrate recording, refined 5.3K output, and possibly improved 8K experimentation are all on the table, though 8K remains speculative for now. Higher frame rates for slow motion are also rumored, with improvements on 4K at 120 frames per second performance being a realistic expectation. But here's the upgrade that might matter most in real-world use: thermal management. Overheating at maximum resolution has been one of the most consistent complaints across recent GoPro models. GoPro specifically called out improved thermal performance in their GP3 announcement, which strongly suggests the Hero 14 will be able to sustain high-resolution recording for longer without cutting out. You know what's funny? The flashiest spec in the room is usually 8K, but the feature that'll actually change how you shoot is the one that stops your camera from giving up on you mid-session. GoPro's HyperSmooth stabilization has been industry-leading for years, and there's no reason to think the Hero 14 breaks that streak. No official version number has been confirmed, but with GP3's extra processing headroom and AI integration, expect the algorithm to get smarter, particularly in complex motion scenarios like mountain biking, surfing, or FPV. On the AI side, GoPro explicitly mentioned AI in their GP3 press materials, which could translate to smarter scene detection, improved HDR processing, better noise reduction in low light, and more advanced auto-editing features inside the GoPro Quick ecosystem. Battery life is also expected to improve, with GP3's efficiency gains likely extending recording times at high resolutions and improving standby performance. No exact milliamp hour figures have leaked yet, but longer runtime at peak settings would be a welcome change. Design-wise, don't expect a dramatic new look. Waterproof to 10 meters without a housing is expected to remain standard, but internal heat dissipation improvements could subtly reshape what's under the hood. So here's the big picture. GoPro skipping 2025 wasn't a stumble, it was a setup. A new processor, possible larger sensor, better thermals, AI upgrades, improved stabilization, and maybe even 8K video. If even half of this lands, the Hero 14 Black could be the biggest leap since the Hero 10, and with NAB just around the corner, we won't be waiting long. When a company goes quiet this long, they usually come back big. So what's your move? Upgrading, waiting, or sticking with what you've got? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the official reveal.